Many of the people who have got the big payouts, they A, came from options, B, they were trading for years in other aspects of the market, and then C, they were failing at futures for years before they got profitable. Years for these future prop firms. Years. And just one more time, just for the plot, years. So take that into consideration when we get frustrated, when we get irritated, when you're going through the motions that you're going through, and definitely trail it down a little. A couple of counts is probably enough unless you're doing big things. Apexes are cheap, and if you're not passing them, you're not paying that activation fee, so that's not bad. But if you're passing and then failing, that's expensive. So get a couple of the funding tick, a couple of the Apex, and give yourself the 2 years. Don't reset every week. Don't do that. If you blew them, you wait at least 2 weeks or the month, and that's just some kind of process in play that allows you to go through the growing pains until you've been beaten down enough that you are willing to stick to the plan you say. Again, I don't care if it's order flow, I don't care if it's JGS. I'm still a huge fan because JGS Breakout, very, very powerful. Not just because this trade happened to win, as you saw, the trade won. The management that I had, first off, I was on minis. Oh, now it wants to go down. What a dummy! Didn't allow me to catch the whole move, which is on me. I'm okay with that because I'm mirroring so much. I really want to get this much because I can control this much better than I can the ebb and flow of the rest. But look, the trade worked. That's a JGS signal. That's a breakout signal. That's perfect. And this breakout indicator is the only one on the market that does all of these things. It gives you contract sizes and risk that you can program into whatever time of day. You can program it to look at the 2 minute and be trading off of the 50, or the trade off the 15 and be trading off the 5. You've got so many customizations. This breakout indicator as a strategy, as a system, if you want to build it into your Ichimoku, into your order flow, into your, hey, I have to go to work at 9, I want to be a 6 a.m. trader, you have all of those options and more. So this right here is amazing. It's worth really studying. It's worth getting good at. And that's why we're spending so much time and effort also into automating it. Right now, the automation has got a lot of bugs, but we'll get to the bottom of it. Very practically, it's probably something that is on the main side, the mathing side, that's just messing up so many of the other calculations. But it's hard to go through that many lines of code to kind of if this, then that, because God knows I can't do anything simple. So this is not 70, 80 liner. This is 1,200 lines on Pine script. So if you go Google that, it's a lot. It's actually, I think it's more than that now. I think it's more than 1,200, but we'll see.